As you exhale, we're going to curl the spine, pushing the hands so they come in front of our chest. We're taking cat-cow variations. Inhaling, lifting the hands, the chest. Maybe this time taking a little back bend as we reach the hands a little further. And then exhaling to curl. So working here with your breath. Inhaling to lift and open. Exhaling to curl. Inhaling to lift and open. Pulling the hands a little further and exhaling. See if you can push a little bit more into your shoulder blades here. So with every change and every expression, just taking it a little bit deeper, finding more of an expansion, more of a stretch. We're here for one more round of breath. Exhaling to curl.